Play Store is full of games, and do they really pay you? Are they real? Here I am going to show you one more game, one more application actually, where it will show if it is paying you real money or no. It's called Wonder Time, and the logo is you see. I'm here inside it. It allows me to install applications and games, play them, uninstall them, and earn points. And these points are withdrawn as tele actually, because I'm in Turkey and it's in Turkish currency. I'm earning here and it shows that I'm making that money, but it does not really pay you. I have checked here, it's not gonna pay you at all. This app is fake, my friends. Wonder Time, it's a fake app. Even if you install it, you play it, it will never pay you, so don't waste your time and enjoy your day. Thank you for watching.